here's the thing. So I want to show you secret mission in remote control, and there are only 3. I'm going to do 3 secret missions. So stay tuned, because in this payphones you are seeing here on the screen right now, got one secret mission, and you see it is this second payphone here.
Brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, so we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in on blazing in your
Oh, okay. Let's do these secret missions first. I want to show you that just 3 secret missions. 2 are marked with yellow markers, and 1 it is not marked. Then what is this? So my aim is all over. Let me try this. Oh!
well, that's just rain. He tripped the alarm.
It's done. I wanted to sneak behind him. Okay.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Let's do this.
Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnap key to get on board. Okay, now, climb to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get up.
The mission is done, so now here is the first secret mission. It is on the second payphone again.
Here's your payment. Now, get out of here.
Despite the fact that I've did the first mission on the payphone, we are going to do it again. Here comes my car.
This is my car now. There's a stolen taxi park in the central.
So I will just have to do it. Let me do it. I need to get to that car. I need to get to this car. I cannot do that police for no reason. Hey. Not bad, man. Oh, yeah. That's another mission. Okay, sorry.
The boss wife has been visiting a friend. Go.
This one, the one that I'm doing right now, so I just have to do it. I accidentally accepted, and there is no way to go back from that. Hey! Papa! Sasa mapema sana.
Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Pick another.
Hi, Hanso. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed to pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Take your time. First. I think there is no way to go back from this. I love to do it right away. Got this car here.
Get back in the car. What are you playing at? Take them to the hotel.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our backs as we go in the hotel?
I wonder, man. Payback 2 should work on this. Payback 3 Apex, I mean, should fix this. So, bye bye. Here you go. Mission
Nice.
was wrong,
Guess you're
except
bleeding.
I didn't want to do that mission, but I
Go
had
back
to
to the
because I
phones if you
didn't
want more
have
missions.
a way to reverse it. Let's go do that second payphone secret mission I was talking about.
Nice car. I'll take it.
I just had my phone, my car here. Out of my way. That glitch, I'm fighting the glitch too. Now this is a secret mission I'm taking. It's only a secret mission, despite I did the first one on the same payphone. So let's do the secret mission, then I'm going to do the... Yeah, so we don't want to move.
Okay, now drive to the car park in the south street. Take the train.
The two trades, these are just black market trades. I'm going to hurt. Let's finish this.
Get out of here.
Let's finish this one.
Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase
Listen to
down.
the instructor. This is a secret mission I'm doing right now.
Pick it up.
Return to my launcher. This part is a traitor. He just ran into the
kill
gun.
him for some extra
I
money.
came with him, so I had to kill him.
Nice one. Here's the extra money.
Yeah, that is it.
Get your ass down to the phones
So
for
next
more
is a
missions.
secret mission that is not shown on the map. That is my main objective for this video today. And I'm going to show you where it is right away. Let's go. I need this car.
I need your car.
Oh man. You know what's going on. So the secret mission should be in a place like this one. There are fences and
Get out.
there are nice locker and more crowd. Yeah, it is down here. Just remember the place. No, this guy is too slow, man. I want to push. So, okay. Can I go on foot or just... Okay. The secret mission is somewhere right here. This is a secret mission on this car. So if you guys haven't done it, you should do it right away.
Inside this truck are several remote-controlled cars fitted with explosives. Use them to blow up other cars.
So I don't want to go too far.
50,000 points in the next minute. I'll give you a few extra points.
That is it. Nothing else. So
Very nice. Here's an extra 100 grand for your trouble.
So I'm going to get this car back to my payphones. That is the only secret mission I had to show you on this game, on this chapter I mean. And there you go, man. That's all for today, my friend. So meet you on the prison escape. My next video I'm going to do prison escape. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and if you find something useful from this episode right now, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. this is my home. I'm going to park here and cut the video from there. Guys, enjoy. Love you all.